In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Godaddy website to WordPress. If you're ready to make that leap from Godaddy's platform to the freedom and flexibility of WordPress, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the entire process, step by step, to ensure you can successfully make this transition with ease. First things first, you want to have a WordPress hosting account ready. There are plenty of options out there, but for simplicity and reliability, consider going with a reputable provider like Bluehost or SiteGround. Once you've set up your new hosting account, it'll be time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation, making it quite straightforward. Look for a WordPress installer in your hosting dashboard and follow the prompts. Once WordPress is set up, mark that as done, and let's move to the next stage. Next, we need to migrate your website data from Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your hosting dashboard. You will look for the File Manager, where you'll be able to access your website files. This is where all your themes, plugins, images, and other content pieces are stored. Download these files to your computer. This creates a local backup, which is crucial should anything go awry during the transfer process. Once you have your site files safely stored, the next task is to back up your database. Navigate to your Godaddy hosting dashboard, find your databases, usually listed under MySQL, and use the export function to save your database locally as a .sql file. Both the files and database backups are vitally important for moving everything over to WordPress. Now, it's time to start transferring the website to WordPress. Begin by logging into the WordPress administration panel where you installed WordPress on your new host. You're going to install a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. Go to the Plugins section, click Add New, search for All-in-One WP Migration, install it, and then activate it. This plugin is a powerful tool that simplifies the site migration process. Once activated, head to the Plugins interface, which you'll find under the Site menu. Here you'll see an Import option. Select your file from your downloaded computer backups, both your website files and databases. This process can take some time depending on the site size, so just let it do its thing. After the import, make sure you check everything to ensure your new WordPress site looks and functions as expected. Double-check your content, test links, and see that your images are displaying correctly. Lastly, we need to make sure your domain points to the new WordPress installation. Back in your Godaddy account, navigate to DNS settings. Update the name servers to those provided by your new hosting provider. After updating, it might take a few hours for this change to propagate. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your website from Godaddy to WordPress. Enjoy the creative and dynamic freedom that WordPress offers, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.